Exercise 26A deals with calculating mean. Question number 1. Find the mean of. They have given you some specific number of datas. So how is that you will find the mean? What is the formula for finding mean? Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So what is the sum of all the observations given to us here? It is 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 23. How many observations have they given us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 observations are there. So sum of all these observations divided by 5 we will do. So you have to add all the 5 datas. How to make it easier? See, 11 plus 19, that will give you 130. Again 13 plus 17, you can group it as 30. This is totally 60. So 60 plus 23, how much you will get? 83. So the sum total is 83. 83 divided by 5. So normal division when you do, you will get the answer as 16.6. So what is the mean of these set of 5 datas? It is 16.6. Mean can be given or represented as x bar. So you can either write it mean is equal to or x bar is equal to 16.6. Question number 2. Here they have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 datas and they are asking you to find the mean. What is the formula for finding mean, ma? It's again sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So we have to add all these observations together. Here we have to find the sum of all 8 observations. So how is that we can make it simple? See, the last 2 terms, it ends with 4 and 6. So when you add, it becomes 60 plus 10, 70. So this is 70. Same way here, this ends in 8 and this ends in 2. So when you group these two things, you will get it as 32 plus 28 to be 50 plus 10, totally 60. Apart from that, here is the 30. 60 plus 30, you get 90. Adding all these 3 terms together. Now, this term ends in 4 and this ends in 6. So sum total is 10. So how is that you can group? 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus this 10 is 50. So adding these two will give you 50. And here there is another 22. So you can make it as 50 plus 22, which is 72. Now you can add this set of datas. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 9 will give you how much? 23. So it is 232. Or you can do digit wise addition as well. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 26. 30, 32. So 2, balance 3 over here. Again 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s are there. So it is 12. Again 4 2s are there. So that is 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So that way also you will get 232 to be the sum of all the 8 datas. So sum of all observations, how much is it? 232. That you have to divide it by total number of observations. Already we counted the total number of observations to be 8. So you will divide 232 by 8. So upon dividing, I get the answer as 29. So x bar or the mean value is nothing but 29 for the set of 8 datas. In this third subdivision, it's interesting that we are going to find the mean of these fractions. So as usual we know, what is the formula for finding mean? It is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. But how is that you can add fractions? Only like fractions we can add. So we have to make these improper fractions, mixed fractions into improper ones, and that too like fractions. So how to convert them? See, 1 by 4 it is already in a proper way. Next one, 3 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So 4 3 times 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this comes out as 13 by 4. Again this one is 16 plus 3. 19 by 4. This is 4 5 times 20. 20 plus 1 21. 21 by 4. This one will be 7 2 times 14. 14 plus 1 15. You can write it as 15 by 2, but I want it as like fraction. See, all the denominators here are 4 except for this one. So, in order to make the denominator as 4, I'll multiply and divide by 2. So that I get the denominator here 2 into 2 as 4. Now 15 into 2, the numerator becomes 30. So the last data, that is the fifth data, is now 30 by 4. So how many datas you have in all? 1 by 4, 13 by 4, 19 by 4, 21 by 4 and 30 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 datas we have. So what is the sum of all observations? So since all of them have got the denominator to be the same, let me take the denominator as a common thing. And I have to add the numerator part. What is it? 1 plus 13 plus 19 plus 21 plus 30 divided by 4. This is the sum of all observations. Whole divided by total number of observations. How many observations are there? 5. So when you simplify this, when you add this part, what is that you will get? 19 plus 27, you can see this is nothing but 40. 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 when you add with 13, it is 83. Plus 1, 84. So totally it is 84 by 4 divided by 5. And you know 84 by 4 you can divide it because it's divisible by 4. So you'll get it as 21 when you divide 84 by 4. So the numerator part, sum of all observations, we have got it as 21 divided by total number of observations, it is 5. So what is the answer for 21 divided by 5? When you divide, you will get the answer as 4.2. So what is the mean value, ma? X bar is equal to 4.2 for this problem. The fourth subdivision is all decimal numbers. So as usual for finding the mean, what is the formula? We have to find sum of all observations. In case of decimals, to find the sum of all observations, I have to take into account the decimal places after the decimal point. So it is all the terms have got one number after the decimal. So in order, I am just aligning it. See, 6.5, 8.2. So the decimal place should come one below the other, and accordingly the numbers you have to place. Here luckily we have after the decimal only one digit. But if in case there are 1 or 2 digits or different number of digits, then this will be the right way to do the addition. The decimal point should be one below the other. Apart from that, the other numbers you have to place it and finally add it out. So here it is 8.2. Next one it is 9.4. Then it is 4.6, 7.8, 4.9. We have to add all these datas. How many number of datas are there, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of datas is 6. Sum of all datas now we have to do. So can we do the addition? 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Then 34 it comes out to be. So it is 4 over here and 3. Again, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 plus 8 will be 32, 32 plus 6 is 38, 39, 40, 41. So total this one here it is 41, and the decimal point I'll place it here. So what is the sum of all observations? It is 41.4. So I'll write 41.4 in the numerator here, which is sum of all observations, whole divided by total number of observations. How many it is, ma? It is 6. So when you divide by 6, normal division we can proceed. What is it? 41.4 divided by 6. This is my rough work. Okay. So what is it? You will get it as 6 times 36. Remaining 5. This decimal is here. So I'll place a decimal here. I bring down this 4. You know that 6 9 times it is 54. So what will be the answer, ma? It will be 6.9. So what is X bar, or what is the mean value? 6.9.